Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, in today's video guys we'll work on Mazda CX-7. So if you have a Mazda CX-7, the whole generation from year 2006 to year 2012 guys, and your heater, blower, motor, fan guys, okay, the one for the AC and the heater, the fan does not work and you don't get any air out of the vents, stay with us and we'll show you which fuse to check. Okay, this is a little bit of a hidden fuse, not very many people know about it, so we'll show you guys how to find it and how to test it, and you can test all that without even removing it. Let me guys quick introduce you to the channel. We guys have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think about the channel, about the content, or if you need any specific repair. So let's start on it now. So let me show you now if we go inside in this Mazda guys, and okay, your blower motor fan does not work. Okay, this is your blower motor fan switch. You turn it on high, low, and you don't get any air out of there. We'll explain guys, okay, what causes that and how to check the fuse for that. It could be even a bad resistor guys, it could be a bad fan, but most of the time just check the fuse. Okay, this is reason number one. So if we come outside now, okay, right here, this is the box guys, this is the fuse box right here. So this is guys the fuse box. Right here you have one clip on top, pull back, now you push it down and then you pull it out. Okay, like that, and you can remove it. Now guys, the fuse that we're looking at guys for the blower motor fan, okay, let me show you now. This is your cover. Now right here guys, okay, you can remove that little bitty cover here, grab it, twist it a little bit and it will come out. Under this cover now guys, okay, we have actually quite a few fuses. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuses. Our sixth one is missing, our car does not come with this one. So looking at this one now, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth fuse guys, right here, it's a 40 amp fuse, or the second from right to left. This is for your blower motor fan. Now, usually you can see the element inside, but not very clear if it's burnt or not. How you can test it without removing it? Pretty simple. You need a voltmeter, guys. Okay. Simple one can do that too, but if you're looking for a good meter, guys, check this thing out. It will be listed in the description of the video below, and you can find the replacement fuse as well in the description of the video below for your convenience and where we buy them from. And we set it to test resistance and test connection, and if you have connection and the fuse is good, it will be like touching these two together. It will show 0 because it means there is communication between the left side of the post and the right side of the post. So if it's burnt, it will just say like that, like there is no connection. So let me show you now. We get guys 0, so this is a good fuse. So that's how we know. Okay, if that's not the case, we have a video how to test the resistor, how to test the motor, blower motor fan itself. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you having that problem. Thank you for watching and see you guys. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.